what's up, guys? What's going on? Can you guys hear me? Let's see. Give me a yes or no in the chat if you can hear me. Give me a quick yes or no in the chat if you can hear me. Yes, no, maybe so. Yes, sweet, awesome. Cool. How you guys doing? Okay. I asked for a yes or a no. Cool. Cool ramen. That's an okay. That's not a yes or a no. Cool. Well, I have to go like very, very soon. Like in a matter of minutes. Unfortunately. I wish I could make this longer. I really do. But, so this has to be quick. But, what? Your voice is... Oh, sorry. Hold on. Give me... Oh, that's weird. Is it double? Wait, how about now? Is it still doubling over? How about now? Are we good now? Voice was fine. It's still weird. For you it's not? Oh, okay. Maybe you have the stream open twice. That could be it. Okay, I gotta go very, very soon, so we're gonna do this quickly. Unfortunately, I would make it a longer stream, but I'm busy tonight, so we're gonna do this quick, and then maybe I'll stream again soon. We'll do that soon. We'll do like a celebration stream. I know we were going to do that, but yeah, we'll do it soon. What's up, Moy? Fortnite. Bro, I'm gonna kick Moy. Loki, I'm gonna kick him. Hi, Cobra. What's up, Elf Sonic? Cobra, can I have a shout out? Shout out, Void. What's up? What's up, Isaac Ramo? Super big fan. Thank you, Radioactive. Appreciate it. Am Tilted Player from last stream. Oh, what's up, Tilted Player? Welcome back. Welcome to the stream. So I'm gonna wait just a couple minutes. Like I said, I gotta be quick because I'm busy tonight. But I'm gonna just wait a couple minutes. Also, can you guys see the stream? Last time it was super laggy. You guys get a little sneak peek on one of the projects I'm working on. I think the other developer for this project is in the chat as well. But yeah, here's you guys get a little sneak peek. Yo, what's up, TQ? Welcome to the stream. I'm just giving people a couple minutes to get in here. Oh, look. You guys want to make a guess on who the other developer is? He's in the chat right now. Like, he just said something. Code Bro, when you make a new vid? I have one in progress right now. It just needs to be finished. I need to finish with the editing and all that. It's Moy? It's definitely not Moy. Moy is not a very good developer. I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna be so real right now. I gave up on scripting a long time ago since it never works. Man, it's hard. It is hard, but it just takes a lot of time and practice. Just takes practice, that's all. If you keep at it, you can totally do it. There is nothing I do that you guys can't do. Like, seriously, if you put the time and effort into it, you guys can do it. Will you do it in game stream? What do you mean? What do you mean, Void? How am I doing? I'm doing alright. How are you doing, TQ? Okay. It's been 5-ish minutes. Do you guys should we do the unboxing now? Yes or no? It's like really late in the day for most people, so I don't expect many people to join the stream. So we might as well just start. Am I doing a face reveal? Not yet, at least. Not in this stream, at least. We'll see. Play Roblox in a game and stream at the same time? Oh, you just mean you want me to play Roblox. I don't have time, unfortunately. I'm going to do the quick unboxing, and I will probably turn it into a video form. And then we'll do like a stream where we play games another time. I just don't have time for it right now, unfortunately. I make games? Nice. Mysterious. What do you mean mysterious? What's up, We Got the Dev? Welcome. Alright guys. I think we're gonna go ahead and turn on. Oh, there it is. There's the packet. Look, I had to like tear all this stuff up so you guys couldn't see. I had to like tear up all this confidential stuff, and now the package looks ruined. Look at, I ruined my YouTube package. Hand reveal? You guys get 2 hand reveals today. You guys get 2. Yep. Both hand reveals. Okay, so we've got the package. Can you guys still hear me, by the way? I want to make sure you guys can hear me while I'm doing this. Can you guys hear me? Real quick. Because I just moved, like, over here. This is almost as good as Kermit the Frog. Facts. No. Kermit the Frog was better. Low-key. Like, Kermit the Frog was actually me. So that's why it's better. Alright, so there's that. Alright. You guys ready? You guys ready for this? I just like taped it on my desk. Actually, I should really quickly take it off and just make sure that there's nothing, like my address isn't in there. I'm not going to pull out the award yet, don't worry. I won't pull it out yet. Okay. Alright, I think we're good. I think we're good. No address. I think we're okay. Alright, bench reveal. Facts, what? I'm working on a bench. Okay, this is sick. This is already so cool. Oh my gosh, bro. Look at this. That's crazy. Yo, this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Everybody, can we have W Rick in the chat? W Rick. I want to see W Rick filling the chat. You guys have permission to, like, spam. Please spam this chat. W Rick, come on. I want to see it. W Rick for packaging this. Alright. Oh, this is so cool. You remember your first subscriber, your 100th, or your 1000th? Chances are you do. I definitely remember my 1000th. I think my first subscriber was like me on an alt account. I'm gonna be real. Or maybe it was like my brother or something. I definitely remember 100 and 1000. Those were crazy. W Rick. I'm gonna demote Moy. Moy deserves a demote. Not gonna lie. Your fans have found you while searching YouTube, learning about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. That's crazy. Well, how did you guys find me? A friend? Definitely, it was all a friend. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed, and their numbers increased because of the community you've built. We're proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's go. W's in the chat. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait to for you to amaze them even more. Keep creating, keep building. Can't wait to see what you'll do next. When you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? Sincerely, YouTube CEO. Nice. Neil Mohan. I don't even know if I pronounced that correct. W's, guys. All right, here we go. Guys, when we hit the 1,000,000th, that's going to be so crazy. I'm going to be real. When we hit 1,000,000, I'm just kind of like, oh. Do I show it? Do I show it or no? Do I show it? Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready for this? W Rick, we still got W Ricks in the chat. Yes, we're ready. All right, here we go. Here we go. Bro, that is crazy. Oh my gosh, that is crazy. I gotta make sure I don't like accidentally face reveal with this reflection. Yo, what? Oh my gosh. Look at that. That is so shiny. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. You guys can see, like, I've got pots up there at the top. That's crazy. That is so crazy. Thank you. Congratulations. Presented to Cobra29 for passing 100,000 subscribers. That's awesome. There it is, you guys. There is the award. That's so crazy. What? Oh my gosh. Yo, Quacks, thank you for the $10 dono. Thank you so much, bro. Appreciate that so much. Oh my gosh, that looks so sick. It's so shiny, bro. Oh wait, and I got whatever this is too. Let's go. Recognize your team. Oh shoot, hold on. I want to make sure I didn't like leak a code or something like that. I don't think I did. Dude, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. That is seriously a dream come true. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. You guys, I'm gonna step back to this computer for right now. Guys, thank you so much. This is all because of you guys. Like seriously, I could not have done this without you guys. Every single one of you who have watched the videos, who have stayed with me, all 100,000 of you guys. Appreciate it so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much, everyone. This is awesome. I can't wait to put this up on my wall. You guys are the best. Thank you guys. Thank you, D-Money, Cool Ramen, Elf Sonic, Shady Edits. Cool Ramen is going to have dinner, no problem. Enjoy dinner, bro. Enjoy dinner. Gideon, thank you guys so much. EBG, GS Animation, guys, TQ. Cali Red, is that how you say that? Mammy? I don't want to like butcher your guys' names. Quacks, thank you so much. And Quacks, thank you so much for that $10 dono. Super appreciate that. Misho, Void, thank you guys so much. Seriously, guys, this is awesome. You guys are the best. Best fans ever. Seriously. Like, I think I just got blessed with like a super awesome fan base. Like the best fan base ever. Face reveal another time. Not today, but I probably will another time. We'll see. Oh, that's awesome. Well, I was going to do a little bit of development. That's so cool. I just want to like go hang this up on my wall right now. But I did want to do a little bit of development for you guys. Should we do a little development? I'll still leave that in the corner. Do you guys want to do like a little bit of game development on my new game? I can show you around a little bit. Sure. 1 million subs face reveal. We might do it before then. We'll see. 1 mil is gonna like that's gonna take forever. What game are you making? It's an FPS game. It's an FPS. First time actually making an FPS. What's the main game you're working? So this is a game I'm working on. I'm working on like 3 different games right now. But I don't know which one will come out when, but this is one of my 3 main games. It looks like Rivals. Yeah, it's got some similarities. For sure. For sure. Little inspiration for sure. This is just a test map, but I added sprinting earlier, so that's nice. It's still a little buggy. You gotta go, no problem. Quacks, thank you for the dono, and thank you for tuning into not just this stream, but other streams too. You made an FPS? Okay, so this is like my first actual FPS. The Lion Soul game? Oh, the RPG game? I'd love to continue that. It's just going to be a matter of finding the time, and because the other developer I'm working on that game with, Abro, we have another project that we're also working on. So it's just kind of a matter of finding the time to do it. Okay, I'm cracked. Let's go. Got them all. It looks very cool so far. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Do you use a module framework? Yeah, I do. I'm using like an object-oriented programming framework for this. So we could work on like a shotgun or something for this, or we could just end the stream. I don't know what to work on, to be honest. Here, let me open Discord back up and see. Or other developer, you're in the chat right now, it looks like. What would you prefer? What would you prefer to start on? The other developer for this game that I have right now. What do you think? Oh, crouching? That's a good idea. That'd be easy to do. Cause I got just a few minutes, so that'll be quick. Okay, sweet. All right, let's do a little crouching. And I think after that, it's probably gonna be it. And then I'm gonna hang this up on my wall. Like as soon as this is over. Can I be in a vid? Maybe. Maybe I should do like a video with all my fans. That'd be fun. That is awesome. Thank you. Appreciate it. All right. Let's go ahead and work on some crouching real quick. Oh, I know, right? That'll be that'll be quick. Famous last words. All right. Let's do some crouching. Probably don't need to do it this way. So, I'm still gonna be checking out the chat as we're working on this. I assume people will kind of be in and out of here. But, do you like the NBA? Honestly, I'm more of an MLB person. Please say Gooby is fire. What did I just say? I don't even know what that means, bro. I don't even know what that means. Oh my gosh, you guys are crazy. The NBA is fine, but MLB is way better in my opinion. In my personal opinion. I've always been an MLB fan. But, you know, I win a sub. Thank you so much. What are you making? I'm working on a crouch system for my an FPS I'm making. Steph is the GOAT. Steph is pretty cool. Cobra says Stephen Curry. Stephen Curry is the GOAT, TQ. There you go. Stephen Curry is the GOAT. We'll have some baseline functions here. How did I learn to script? Mostly YouTube. Pretty much all of it was YouTube. I also did like dev forum stuff. The dev forum was super helpful in learning how to script. But mostly YouTube for sure. Congrats on 100K. Thank you, Sky. Appreciate that. Okay, let's create a new... Guys, have you seen this new action context? Like, they're actually crazy. The input context that they've added. It is so nice. So nice. It basically will replace all your need for user input service and context action service. Like any of you care, but you know, I really care. For now, I'm just going to set the keybind to C. We do not have a crouch button yet, so I'm just going to leave that blank. Controller. What button do people usually use for crouching on controllers? Maybe X? Let's just do X for now. Button. We'll do button X for now. We can always change this later. And then, yeah, so like this is actually so crazy. So, you know, I created this little thing called crouch and I put a couple bindings under it. This has the keyboard input of C. This has the controller input of button X. And then what I can do, if I just go ahead, I'm going to borrow this real quick. Where did it go? Not that one, sprint mod. If I just take these real quick, so just, you know, get a reference to the inputs. And then crouch action. And then all I have to do, it's actually kind of crazy, dot pressed, colon connect function. There we go. So crouch action whenever that is pressed. So when any of these bindings are pressed down, we can literally do whatever we want. So in this case, I'll just crouch, and then crouch action dot released. Whenever that input is released, it's just uncrouch. That's literally it. Oh, my play button's in the way, isn't it? Here, let me move it. Let me move that guy. There we go. Yo, congrats, you, Sepdoggy, Boxy, and Bloxy are the ones who inspired me to make content. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that a lot. You guys are awesome. Seriously. Good scripting? Nice. Your 9 year of experience? That's awesome. Your scripting is nice. Thank you. Appreciate it. I've been scripting Luau since 1924. Dude, I've been since 1920. Get on my level, bro. Alright. We'll also pass through the player because we're gonna want their character. And then this is kind of, I just started doing this. Adding things to the shared table. I know that's not like the best practice, but Loki, it's kind of a lifesaver for things like this, because I can so easily access this whole handler from any other script. Face reveal at 102K. We'll see. We'll see. Casual flex, my play button is in the way. Let me move it. Real. Nah. I would never flex on you guys. Can we get a play button reveal? Bro, didn't I show you the play button? Didn't I show you the play button? Alright, let's grab a reference to the humanoid. Actually, first let's get the character. And just type annotate it. And then we'll also want the humanoid, because what we're going to want to do with that is set the camera offset. Because when you're crouching, you know, you want to make it look like your camera goes down. Yeah, guys, CodeBro watched CodeBro to learn to script. Yeah, for real. It was really hard until I found these videos by CodeBro, and then I was able to script. Yep. Okay, we're also gonna want the tween service. And then I think, let me just make sure, but I think there's like a camera, yeah, camera offset. So let's go ahead and set the, okay, local humanoid, self.character, wait for child, humanoid, type annotate, and then we'll just say self.normal camera offset equals humanoid.camera offset. There we go. That's just a way to make sure we store the camera offset, because we're going to want to be able to access it up here. So now, if we pass in the humanoid, maybe make it 0.3 seconds, it'll be linear, so that's all we need. Then we can just set the camera offset to be whatever the current camera offset, or the normal camera offset is, but we'll just like subtract, I don't know, 3 studs? Something like that. Let's just play it. And then we'll also want to make sure we set self.crouching. And one more thing, we should make sure that we're not crouching. There we go. As long as we're not crouching. Okay, let me check the chat real quick. What happened to Cobra28? I don't know, bro. Cobra28 just like up and left. Alright. I'm just going to take all this code, because why make life harder? And self.crouching is false. We're also going to need to like set the humanoid root part to be can collide off, just because otherwise we're going to like run into walls when we're trying to crouch. And then we don't have a crouching animation yet, so probably want to fix that as well. Self.crouching. Okay. So now let's just go ahead and set the humanoid root part. Local HRP, char, find first child, humanoid root part, base part. Okay. And then I'll just make sure the humanoid root part exists. Just a little sanity check. Can collide false. Alright, let's just go ahead and reuse these lines of code real quick. Whoops. There we go. Cool. You're the best builder. Nice. I'm definitely not the best builder. We're also going to want to change the walk speed, but I don't know that I'm going to have time to do that before I gotta leave. But let's just make sure that little bit is working. Oh, I forgot to initialize the script. Hold on. How do you do this so fast? I don't know. I've just been doing like scripting stuff for 6 years, give or take. Alright, let's just go ahead and initialize this real quick. And just for the sake of keeping everything in order, I want to make sure that everything is capitalized the same. There we go. Alright, just initialize it. And there we go. Your vids make me calm. What? Because of the scripting or what? What your favorite martial art? I don't even know. Yeah, I couldn't tell you. Okay. Hold up. Something ain't right. We have self.character, because it's not like, it's not even print crouching. Okay, for some reason it wasn't doing anything. Dude, EVG called it. He was like, oh wait, it's not even picking up the trigger, that's why. No, but seriously, EVG actually called it. Famous last words. Okay, crouching dot pressed connect. Yeah. Crouch action. Okay, maybe it's because I have two. Maybe I need to redo that to only have one. No, that's not it. As soon as I told TQ that this is like the best update ever, it just decides to like not even work. That's crazy. Okay, crouch action. Oh, my fault. I forgot to... I waited for the wrong thing. Okay, so... It's still not working. Bro. Okay. EVG Pro. I think this is all your fault. I'm gonna be so for real right now. This is all your fault. Oh, I'm an idiot. Crouch. There we go. I think that's it. There we go. I knew it was something like that. Okay, so we definitely need to make the walk speed different. But that should mean... Yeah, there we go. Yeah, look at that. We can crouch now. Look at that. That's kind of satisfying. Now I am going to have to check. EBG, should we make it so that, like, this... Because I'm pressing C and then letting C go. Should you have to hold C, or should you press it once, it'll make you crouch, press it again, and you'll do it again? That's what I'm not sure of. 1.75. Hold. Right now you're holding it. I think the chat wants it to be hold. Chat wants it to be hold. Okay, so we have this little crouch is crouching thing. So real quick, what I want to do is basically whenever we try to sprint, let's just check to see if we're crouching. So if we'll just want to get a reference to our crouch handler, and then we can just call this little function here is crouching. Then we just want to stop crouching, basically. And then we'll just say uncrouch. It's that easy. Okay. Why is there 15 views? I think it's because of how late I streamed. Usually people will tune in if I stream on a Saturday, but the play button came in late today. Okay, there we go. So you can see I'm crouching, I start to sprint, and I get back up. Okay, let's see, where did we got the dev go? What kind of game are you making? It's an FPS game. Wait, EBG, what did we got the dev say? For some reason I don't have that chat. weird. Do you have a mentor? No, I do not. Nope, just self-taught. And then also, I guess we're sharing the sprint object, so we might as well, when we start crouching, just check to see if they're sprinting, and if they are, we can stop sprinting. Then we'll just say unsprint. Guys, don't leave. A setting so you can choose between hold and press. Yeah, that's a good idea. Okay, so that is not working. Okay, good to know. At the moment, hold works. Okay, cool. Sounds good. So, share.sprint object. That's kind of strange. I don't know why it's doing that. Also, it's not going down enough. I won't leave, just might not talk. No, you're good. Let's see. Congrats on 100K. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Okay, so now I'm currently sprinting. Yeah, for some reason it's not letting me sprint. Or, sorry, crouch. Print. Let's just print self.crouching. Maybe there's some weird bug where it thinks it's still crouching. I don't know. So, false, false, false. Oh, it's not even firing. Why is that? Maybe, do you think it's because I'm holding shift? That could be it. I don't think so, though. Let's see. So I'm wondering if putting, like, shift as the sprint is making it think that I'm typing a capital C. Like, that's the only thing I can think of. Because it's not even firing the function when I hold shift. Which is kind of strange, because this is... I mean, it's a new Roblox feature. It could just be that it needs some time. Do they have, like, control? What's up, Carrot? That's so weird. Yeah, that's really, really weird. Okay, well, anyway, let's just go ahead and do one more thing. We want to make sure that the walk speed is set correctly. So let's grab our normal walk speed. I did this in the sprinting, so let's just put it in the crouching also. Normal walk speed is whatever the starter character walk speed is. And then whenever we crouch, we'll just want to set the walk speed to be slower. Minus, I don't know, 8. And then we'll just do the same here when we uncrouch. Let's see if that works. Let's see. Code, how did you first understand anything? I'm trying to learn coding and I made an RNG game for a school project, but was kind of clueless. So honestly, it's just, to me, all about practice. It took me forever. It took me so long to figure out anything. Like, I remember I've said this on stream before, where it just literally, I don't know why I took so long to just know or understand what parent meant in a script. Like, for whatever reason, it just would not click. Normal speed. Oh, wait. Whoops. Whoops. Did not mean to replace that one. It was really just a matter of practice. Like, any language, you know, it's kind of like learning a regular language. There we go. Now we can slow down. It's kind of like learning a regular language where, it just takes practice. You got to be around people who speak it. You got to, use it yourself. It's all a matter of, finding other people, watching videos where people are coding, tutorials, just like you would find other people that speak a language. And then you also want to practice yourself a lot. So, okay, so there we go. Now we slow down when we crouch. And there we go. I think that's kind of it for crouching. Oh, that's strange. Why is it... Oh, how weird. The arms move. That is really weird. Is there anyone specific you watched to learn to code? Alvin Blocks, for sure. I watched him a lot. And then I also watched some Dev King videos. I think some of those videos may be outdated, so it may be worth looking at some like newer tutorials. I know Brawl Dev has some good tutorials, and then I also have tutorials on my channel if you'd like to check them out. Cool. Well, I have to go now, unfortunately, but we did finish the crouching system, kind of. Finished most of it. We got to figure out what was going on with that weird bug where like it just wasn't crouching. I still don't know what was going on with that. But anyway, that's that. I do have to go. I know that was a shorter stream, but I think we'll stream again this weekend, and we'll do some sort of way to celebrate. Maybe we'll make a game. Maybe we'll play games. I don't know yet. We'll figure it out. But anyway, you guys, thank you so much again. Like seriously, this play button right here, this amazing play button that YouTube sent. It's literally all because of you guys. I could not have done this without you guys. You guys are the best. So thank you so much for all the support over the years. It's like 6 years. Hand reveal. You get double hand review. It's been like 6 reveals. Wow. 6 years that we've been doing YouTube. And I just cannot thank you guys enough for the support. So thank you so much for all the support, you guys. Waiting for the pinky reveal. We'll do a pinky reveal later. All right, you guys. Thank you again. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for all the support. And yeah, thank you guys for just tuning in. We are going to do another stream. Don't worry. We're going to do another one probably this weekend. Best coding channel on YouTube to ever exist. You're the best. Thank you so much. W's for Commander. Thank you so much. All right, you guys. I'm going to head out. Appreciate you all being here. Thank you so much, you guys. And I will see you guys soon.